In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view project activity and daily recaps in Basecamp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to review what you've worked on, what you've been mentioned in, and how to quickly catch up across all your projects in one place. Start by heading to My Stuff. In both Basecamp 3 and Basecamp 4, you'll see My Stuff in the main navigation. Click it, then choose My Recent Activity. This takes you to your personal timeline, which pulls together everything you've done recently across all your projects and teams. Think of it as your private activity feed. It's focused on your contributions and the things that directly involve you. On this timeline, you'll see entries for items you created, comments you posted, to-dos you checked off, documents you updated, and places where someone tagged you. It's chronological, so the newest updates appear at the top. This makes it perfect for a quick daily recap. At the end of the day, scroll through to review what you accomplished. At the start of the next day, use it to catch up on overnight mentions or follow-ups that need your attention. Because this view aggregates activity from all your projects, you don't have to jump into each project separately to figure out what changed. It saves time and helps you stay focused on what matters to you. If you're preparing a status update or getting ready for a stand-up, scan your activity in this timeline and jot down the highlights. You'll spot patterns quickly, like tasks you wrapped up or discussions that still need a response. A quick tip: keep this page handy by bookmarking it in your browser. It's a great habit to open it first thing in the morning and once more before you wrap up. If you're collaborating with many teams, you'll appreciate how this consolidates everything and reduces context switching. Remember, My Recent Activity is personal to you. It won't show everything that happened across the entire company, only the things you did or that pulled you in. That's what makes it so useful for a daily digest of your own work. If something looks unfamiliar, it's likely because you were mentioned or assigned, which is a good cue to follow up. If you don't see My Stuff right away, make sure you're signed in and looking at the top navigation. Once you're in the right place, it's just My Stuff, then My Recent Activity. That's all you need to view your project activity and create an effortless daily recap in Basecamp. Give it a try today and make it part of your routine to stay organized and in the loop.